It marks the official start of summer, which means it's time for backyard barbecues, stew parties, beach days, all the outdoor fun. By the way, I'm looking for an invite. I have no plans yet.
And when you're looking to elevate those dishes to bring, look no further, Kelly O'Connell, founder of Lighthouse Pantry in Yarmouthport, and the creator behind their delicious jams, condiments, salts, chocolates, you name
Apparently
it.
you don't sleep. We just
I
found
don't.
out.
No, everyone knows I don't sleep.
Yeah. Okay, so everything that you have brought today looks extravagant, but really it's these simple things we know with just a little bit of a tweak.
Yeah, I'm all about elevated flavor in really simple ways. We are super busy. I'm very busy, but I never want to serve a meal that someone feels is lacking in flavor. So tomorrow, for my family at least, is when we're kicking off our Memorial Day weekend, big summer plans. You're absolutely invited. We're having a big bonfire out at the beach. We're taking a boat, bonfire grilling. You're all invited.
Amazing.
But this is basically what's on the menu.
Yeah.
So to start off, I like to make burgers with a little bit of seasoning and flavor. And one of my favorite things to do is use our rosemary sea salt here and goat cheese, just putting it in the ground beef, mixing it up, and it really adds a lot of elevated flavor to a simple burger. A lot of times at a barbecue, burgers can be really boring, and I don't like that. Then we also have some amazing condiments to put on your burgers.
Yeah.
So our cranberry ketchup is fabulous. We use locally grown Cape Cod cranberries to make this ketchup. It has a really robust flavor. And then our beachcomber mustard is amazing. It's chunky, full-seeded deli-style full-seed mustard with rosemary and garlic. And then the most important condiment on our table is always our bacon jam. My nephews will not eat a burger unless this is on it. I spoil them. It is in my beach bag all the time when we're cooking out at the beach.
Yeah.
And then a really classic bread and butter pickle. These are fabulous. So this is on the menu tomorrow night for sure.
And that is something that, like, it really isn't that hard to elevate, right? Like, those are, it's just replacing the typical.
Yeah, I just added about a tablespoon of the rosemary salts to a pound of the beef, and then about a quarter of a cup of the goat cheese, and it's just easy to mix, and we grill it right up.
Great. Kwani has been spelling this.
I know. It smells so good. What is in this?
So this is my summer corn pasta salad with grilled shrimp. So I marinate the shrimp here with our honey and our jalapeno hot sauce, as well as our chipotle lime sea salt, and then those get grilled, and then I make a really easy mix of just some roasted corn, tomatoes, some cilantro, onions, jalapenos, and then I make a homemade dressing with some of the similar ingredients. So with our jalapeno hot sauce and our chipotle lime salt, it makes a really beautiful dressing. And this is really fresh, really bright. Everyone loves this.
Yeah. Also super easzy to, like, bring and have other people help you make.
Absolutely. And it's easy. Just, like, throw it together in a bowl, mix it up, put it in your fridge overnight, and then grill the shrimp right in the morning. You can grill it right during the party. It's awesome.
That's awesome. We're not gonna skip these. We're gonna come back to these. I want to make sure we get to the dessert because you guys just launched your new chocolate line, and s'mores are a summer classic, but you've elevated.
Yes. So we just launched a new business called Old Salt Chocolate, and we make our own sea salt using ocean water we collect from Nantucket Sound. We dry it out in greenhouses, and that's kind of what is based our salt blends you see. Yeah. But we started putting it on chocolate. So Old Salt Chocolate is really fabulous and delicious, and I'm a firm believer that s'mores should never be boring. So we have a few different ideas here to play with. We have our classic, our milk chocolate with the sea salt on the back, and then we have our espresso chocolate, which is done in a dark Belgian style chocolate.
And giving you that one. I'm sorry.
You know that's okay.
That one is amazing. We use our espresso beans that we serve at our cafe, and just with a classic marshmallow and a chocolate chip graham cracker is delicious.
Fun graham cracker.
So good.
And this one's cute too because you did like a little wafer here.
Yes.
So with your jam and a peanut butter cup.
So this is your like nostalgic kids peanut butter and jelly idea. The Reese's peanut butter cups with our strawberry jam and a stroopwafel to get a little bit of a different texture. The caramelization of the stroopwafel is really delicious, and it makes a really fun nostalgic piece for the summer.
And quickly before we wrap, we do have these two margarita mixes, which look so good. By the way, re-emphasizing everything on the table you make in your house.
We make all of the packaged products.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and if you want to try these, you have to come to my party tomorrow night.
Good. And if you want to make it yourself, you can go visit her in Yarmouthport.
Yeah.